Now we're always getting comments, why don't you guys clean something other than Nikes, something other than Jordans? Well, today it's a special treat because I'm gonna be cleaning up these Asics Gel 1130s, which is a pretty popular shoe these days. Now I'm fresh off a road trip from Sedona. I was up there doing a photo shoot for my homie. We just got to the spot. As you can see, we got some beautiful mountains. And to be honest, my shoe is already getting a little dirty. I was walking my dog, and as you can see, he already got to me. This should be real fun, let's do it. All right, the shoe is done. I think I did my thing getting these dirty, check it out. You know what I mean? We're gonna have some work to do. And in the process, I definitely got these bad boys dirty. We had just beat the storm. It was raining right before our photo shoot. So that's what brings me here today, back on the Shoe Care Academy set. And I'm here to show you the do's and the don'ts to clean up these Asics. Let's get straight to it.
Hey you guys, don't sleep on our August giveaway. This month we're giving away the Reimagine Pack. And this time, there's gonna be 4 lucky winners. That's right, 4 lucky winners. And each winner will get to pick one of the pairs from the Reimagine Pack. We got the Royals, White Cements, Chicagos, and the Breads. All you gotta do is subscribe to Reshoevn8r and drop a comment down below which pair you would pick and the size. Giveaway runs till the end of August. Good luck, everyone.
Today, I'm gonna be using the Reshoevn8r Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit because if you don't know, our patented laundry system is the best way to clean up white mesh, and we got some pretty dirty white mesh on our hands today. We'll get into all that later. Until then, we're just gonna go ahead and set our left shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Then I'm gonna grab our shoe tree. This is gonna help with the overall form of the sneaker, and of course, with applying pressure on this toe box. Before I get started with the dry brushing, I am gonna take these laces out. Quick side note, I've worn Asics in the past. I had a pair of Gel Light 5s. Now they're super comfy, but I'm a little upset nobody really put me on to the comfort level of these 1130s. Straight cushion, straight cloud, reinforcement, Tempur-Pedic on my foot. I need that. All right, I'm gonna give myself some room so we can knock this dry brush out with the Reshoevn8r Soft Bristle Brush. Best way to do it. The reason we do this is honestly so that we don't push this dirt deeper into the material with soap and water. We really just wanna knock off this first layer of dirt, and then we'll be able to tell where the real stains are. So the dry brush is doing a pretty good job. There's still a little bit of trapped in dirt in there we gotta get out. No worries though, we're just gonna head to Mini Worlds, compress that out, and we'll be good to go. Oh, hell no. What the? Count your days, buddy. Where's my ball?
Just left another
Nice
One
shot.
up. Fuck. Hey. 2-2. Vick might have got the dub, but can't leave on a miss. Real shooters know. All right, back to business. Now we're gonna move on to the pre-cleaning on these sneakers. Basically, we wanna take our 4-ounce bottle of solution, give ourselves 2 good squirts. Now we are working with a full mesh upper. Now with that being said, sometimes it can be very delicate and it's known to snag and fray. So we're gonna start off with our soft bristle brush. Now this is the most delicate in our 3-brush pack. And just to take an extra precaution, I'm just gonna brush in one direction just to avoid any potential risk in snagging the material. As I'm cleaning the shoe, I'm noticing that red Sedona dirt is not budging. So for that reason, I'm not gonna dry the shoe. I'm just gonna let the solution soak deeper into this material so it can penetrate those stains on a deeper level. All right, so that soft brush did about everything it's gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and hop over to the medium bristle brush, but I'm only gonna be focusing on this dirty midsole. I'm gonna let the washing machine handle the rest of the work on these uppers.
So while I was rocking these over the weekend, this colorway definitely grew on me, but I just looked up the price real quick before this video, and these bad boys sitting at like $4.50 for my size. I like the shoe and all, but I'm kind of a retail guy. But let me know in the comments, 1, are you even rocking with this shoe? And 2, are you gonna drop resale on these, or are you sticking to the retail club? Let me know in the comments. All right, that medium brush did what it was supposed to do. And is it just me, or is it nothing like a fresh white midsole? I mean, come on now. So with that being said, all we gotta do now is hop over to this stiff bristle brush, tackle this outsole, and then we'll be good to drop these bad boys in the washer. Let's keep it moving. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for the pre-cleaning on these sneakers. There are a couple deeper stains in there, but the shoe is overall looking a lot better. We just gotta get these laces nice and wet, then we'll toss them in the washer with the shoe and let them do the work. Caleb, hit me with that laundry bag. Oh yeah, I'm like Odell. Shoes in there. We gonna put our laces right in this lace pouch. Vick Almighty, hit me with that laundry pod. He wants to play for the Diamondbacks. Zip, zip. Let's go.
All right, my people, so we went ahead and let these sneakers dry overnight, and to be honest, they're looking so much better, but I do gotta point out there's a couple smaller stains right over here in this toe box area and then over here on the side. It might not even be noticeable on camera, that's how small it is, but here at Rejuvenator, there's no stain left behind. I'm over here at Mini World. This is our drop-off cleaning station. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dab a little bit of solution just in these 2 areas, hit it with the steamer, and it should come right out. And if you don't have a steamer, you can just toss these in the washer for 1 more round, but this is just a little faster. Let's knock it out. Stick them up. All right, we just pulled the shoe in from outside. The shoe is looking a lot better. The stain is completely gone. You can't even tell it was there. Right now, we just gotta lace the shoe up, and then I'll be able to show you all the before and after, my favorite part. All right, got these bad boys laced up, pretty much factory. So let's pull in this other shoe, check out the difference. So if you look at this before shoe, we can see that pretty much every inch of the mesh is covered in dirt, is caked in, not looking good. You know, those 3 brushes, laundry system, a little bit of elbow grease with the steamer, and we back like we never left. I mean, come on now. Look at that. The soft bristle brush did a great job of breaking down all this surface dust and getting that dirt out of the way. And then of course, the medium brush on this midsole. And then lastly, the stiff brush always does its thing on the outsole. To achieve these exact results, we use the Rejuvenator signature kit. And this is actually one of my favorites because it has that patented laundry system, which is pretty much the main reason I got our sneakers back right. I can't stress how important it is. If you have a pair of white mesh sneakers, to keep the signature kit in your arsenal, it will not disappoint. I can't tell you how many times it saved the day. If you stuck around this long, we definitely appreciate you. We want to hook it up with a discount code. So use Asics20 on the website, but it's only for the first 20 purchases, so be fast. Also, comment down below what's your favorite Rejuvenator cleaning product and what sneakers you want us to clean next. It's your boy Megell Street. I had some fun. I'll see y'all next time.